Hi you all. So in today's video, this is a wash day twist routine. This is inspired by Indigenous Strandz. I will link her channel below in the description. She has, I believe, knee length hair now. So I decided that I want to start her routine on my daughter, myself, and my youngest daughter, on all three of us. But for today, I'm just going to be showing my 10-year-old daughter and how I'm going to be incorporating Indigenous Strandz routine of how she twists her hair. So the products that I'm going to be using today for my daughter's twist that I'm putting in her hair as a protective style are going to be my DIY Flaxseed and Fenugreek Gel. I am also going to be using my Chebe butter. That's also DIY. I am also going to be using a tea spray. It is chamomile and clove tea in my continuous spray bottle. So I just use the tea spray and I just spray your hair, get it very moisturized. It also helps me to detangle a little bit. So you see here, I ran into some knots just wrapped around her hair, probably some loose strands or shed hairs. So I know you can't really see in the image because I'm not in the camera, but I am using some flaxseed gel to help me detangle and loosen it. It's very important that I take my time, and with each strand of hair, if I was to use a comb, it would break off my daughter's hair, and that is not what I want to do. So patience is key. So now I will show me twisting this strand here using the products I mentioned earlier. And then after that, I will show you what the completed process looks like. I have my tea spray and smooth that in. And now I'm adding the shea butter, working from the ends all the way to her roots. Another quick detangle there. And then I will add my DIY fenugreek and flaxseed gel, once again starting from the very ends of her hair. Length check. So here's my fenugreek flaxseed gel, and I start applying the product from the ends of her hair, and I work it all the way up to her roots. Now, every time I apply product to our hair, that is the order in which I start. And even though I detangled first before I put the product in, after I put the product in and I'm smoothing it down, I do another light detangle to make sure I didn't miss anything while I'm twisting her hair. And here you just see me doing a quick length check. She's waist length, maybe grazing tailbone length. Next up, I am all finished with her hair. Just putting it in a ponytail. It can be off her neck, out of her face.